Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is whimsical. Let's discover what this fun and charming word means. Whimsical means playful, imaginative, unusual, or delightfully different. We use it to describe things that feel creative, charming, and a little unexpected. Here's an example. The cafe had a whimsical interior, filled with colorful furniture, hanging plants, and quirky decorations. This means the cafe looked playful, imaginative, and delightfully unusual. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word whimsical? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats! Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English with us. See you soon!